Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I've been indoor cycling for about 6 years, and so I'm very picky about my cycling shoes. This pair from TAILORIA has fit the bill as far as the things that I'm looking for in a cycling shoe. So for one thing, I really have a difficult time when I'm trying to ride on a bike and I can feel the pedals underneath. Thanks to the well-constructed rubberized bottom and cushioning in the shoe, I really feel well protected while I'm doing my cycling. The cleats were easy to put on and adjustable to what I want to get out of my ride. So if I'm looking for more of some calf work versus quad, we know that some of that comes in hand when you're riding the bike, but also it can depend a lot upon where your cleats are placed. And these SPD cleats fit in no problem. As long as they're tight enough, you'll notice that they don't move around at all. The shoes are breathable, which is also another feature because your feet get really overheated while you're riding. But thanks to that really nice mesh material, it's not only comfortable, but also they don't overheat. The Velcro straps are really nice and wide, so when you bring them across, you can feel confident that the shoes will stay nice and tight on your feet while you're riding your bike. And you always have the option of using the enclosed fitting to place over the cleats. So that's actually where you take the cleats out and you can use these just as walk-around shoes. Overall, I just love the construction of the shoes. I love the color, and I feel that these are definitely comparable to a more higher end brand that you might have seen. Go with them, you will be pleasantly surprised, and you will continue to enjoy your ride. And that's my point of view.